Gina with WTI. Do you know how easy it is to make your own lip balm at home? I didn't either until I got this amazing kit from CraftZee. I could not believe how easy it was. I have kind of been apprehensive about trying to make my own lip balm, and it could not have been easier. This kit came with everything that I needed to make really luscious and smooth lip balm. Look how cute these little containers are. I especially love the little pots. It comes with its own inner lid and an outer lid, and I think it just looks adorable, especially with the labels that come with it. I love having multiple lip balms strewn around the house because I get chapped lips all the time, but not only that, these are so cute. I cannot wait to give them away as gifts. I use the stovetop method with a mason jar that I had at home, and now I'm just going to devote that mason jar to other projects like these for the future. I did protect my surface with just a piece of wax paper, and that was perfect because, hey, I'm a little messy when it comes to these do-it-yourself projects, but it was so easy to clean up because everything that spilled just went directly onto that piece of paper. I decided to mix two of the scents that came with the box and make vanilla raspberry lip balm, and it smells really good. This would be such a cute project to do with your kids or to have friends over and do like with a wine night. I just really enjoyed using the kit. I love the product that it makes, and it was so fun and easy. And that's my point of view.